Alright, we're going to make one of my favorite sandwiches. Super easy. Just want to whip something up nice and quick here. Put a little bit of olive oil in this pan. A little bit of butter. Alright. I'm going to whip our egg. Whip it till it breaks. This is so easy. Alright, in it goes. It's time you want to break up your Zatarains. This breading's really good on fish usually, but it also tastes good on chicken. Push your chicken down into the dredging. Break it back up again. Make a big mess. It's okay. It's your kitchen. Nice light dredging. That one there has a face on it. Okay, I'm just going to flip that. Flip that. And I'm going to flip that. Alright, let's make a sandwich spread for this meal. I get down to the bottom of the Duke's mustard. You see there's still quite a bit left in there. Here's what I do. Instead of just hoping and wishing it comes out of there, a little bit of mayonnaise. Go down like that. Just add a little bit at a time. We got time. We're not in a rush. Now this isn't going to mix up really well. It's a little sticky. You want it to mix up. All you got to do is add a little bit of red wine vinegar, a couple of drops. This is a secret to making things flow. It's like a solvent, okay? Just shake it all up really good. Everybody always says, oh my God, what is that sandwich spread? There's nothing in it, just Duke's mayonnaise and Duke's mustard. There you go. You can get a bigger Duke's mustard, make a whole lot at a time, but I don't like to make a whole lot of anything with mayonnaise at a time because it doesn't last. Yep, it's that easy, guys. Alright, our chicken's almost done. Do this with your little container. Squirt some of that on there. Piece of cheese and just push it down in the middle. That way it oozes out, fills all the nooks and crannies. Another piece of cheese. Okay. Now we're going to put our chicken on top of that. Now here's what I didn't show you. This isn't really guacamole, guys. This is just diced avocado. And that's all that's in this. Just diced avocado. A little bit of salt and pepper. It doesn't have a bunch of spices and all that stuff in it because I just like the texture of the avocado. And what we're going to do is just put a nice blop of that right on top. Like so. Get it centered and it'll stick to the sandwich. If you try to go too fast with this, it's just going to fall off. Put a nice heaping pile of that on top. Just like so. Just a drizzle of the Louisiana Hot Sauce. Take our top bun. Just a little bit of sandwich spread. Not a whole lot. Goes real nice with the avocado. Spread it around. Get it in the nooks and crannies. We're just going to take that bad boy, put it right on top. Just like that. This is one of my favorite sandwiches, guys. It's so easy to make. All you need is some basic ingredients. It'll seem real fancy when you serve it to your family, though. They'll think you worked all day on it. Want to be a show off? Just give it a little push. Let that avocado ooze out. Oh yeah. That is a beautiful thing, y'all. And I can't hold it any longer. I gotta bite into it. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Keep your spoon handy. It's really messy and it's really good. And it's worth every little bit of mop up. Mmm. Spicy chicken avocado on ciabatta with Duke's sandwich spread. Made by Dave. Y'all need to make one of these. Make some new friends. If you don't mind, like, share, and subscribe, y'all. Click that little bell. And I'll see you tomorrow for something tasty. Peace.